Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a very nice boat. As you can see, I'm with a sketchbook and let's start drawing of the board. For drawing of the board, let's draw the top part from the beginning. As you can see, it's getting visible in the drawing. Alright, let's draw another parallel line and connect it like this. This is little curve here and another line you can see. Okay, few details you can see here. We're putting two people at the back and this is it. So this is the boat. We can put the waveforms like this pattern. For the sails, let's draw a curved line to the bottom and connect it here. And you can draw a straight line like this, comes up to this point. And we connect the bottom line like this. And the curved line we can draw here. And the straight line is coming up here. Okay. Purex we are going to put looks like this. It's showing two different sails. Also another free Rex here. Now we are going to put some sketch effects for the boats here. As you can see, we are putting the black color for the people on top and few shades for the top part of the board. Also for this side we are going to put the same types of drawings. So we are going to put the deeper and darker shades to the corner and it's getting lighter in the middle. All right, and the below part this is going to be complete dark, so let's put the darkest color here. Okay, you can see the boat and we're going to put the blue color for the water body on which the sailboat is floating. You can see the blue color. Okay, few orange colors here. All right. For the sails, we can put few strokes of orange, but we can use different pencils. See, so we're going to put a different colors for the sailboats. So the sails here, you can see. And orange here too, on this side. Sails are getting nice. If you like, you can make a color variations between orange and the purple. All right. And we tie up the whole thing here with another central pole, as you can see. And let's make it little thicker to show the strong pole at the middle. All right. So a nice boat alone in the sea. We can put few strokes at the end of the boat to emphasize the darkness. Also a few strokes in this side. Alright guys, I hope you like the video. The drawing is complete. It looks nice and shining. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel if you like the video. Have a good day.